Should you install siding yourself, or hire professionals? Making mistakes is one of the biggest dangers of trying to complete a siding installation on your own. Inexperience is one of the main reasons why homeowners choose to hire professional siding contractors instead of attempting a do-it-yourself installation. Siding installers use special tools to ensure a precise installation. If you don't have the right tools, or if you don't know how to use them, your siding installation is likely to be less than perfect. Ladders and scaffolding are required for many siding installation projects. If you don't feel comfortable working at heights, then professional siding installation is probably the best option for you. Different siding materials require different installation techniques. If you're not familiar with the installation process for your chosen siding material, then you could end up damaging the siding or voiding the warranty. If done incorrectly, siding installation can lead to all sorts of problems, and not just unsightly gaps or crooked lines. Incorrect installation can cause your siding to warp, buckle, or come loose entirely. And that's why it's always best to leave siding installation to the professionals.